Good morning. How did you sleep last night?
Morning. I actually had a pretty restful night. How about you?
That's great to hear. I slept well too. I'm thinking of making pancakes for breakfast. Would you like some?
Pancakes sound amazing. Sure, I'd love some. Do we have any maple syrup left?
I'll check the pantry, but I think we should have a bottle left. Coffee or tea to go with it?
Coffee, please. And can you pass me the butter and jam as well? I might want to spread some on my pancakes.
Of course. Here's your coffee, and I found the syrup, butter, and jam. Help yourself.
Thanks. So, what's on your agenda for the day?
I've got a few work meetings in the morning, but I should be done by lunchtime. After that, I plan to catch up on some reading.
Sounds like a busy morning. I have a couple of errands to run and then some chores around the house. Nothing too exciting.
Well, we can both look forward to a relaxing evening. Maybe we can watch that new movie we've been talking about.
That sounds like a plan. I'll be looking forward to it.
Great. Now, let's enjoy these pancakes and start our day off right.